We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me.
Welcome back to the channel. So the Hyundai has been involved in a minor crash, minor accident. So it's not a big damage, it's just the left headlight, and I think this might be a scratch or maybe something we can wipe off, so you can see the extent of the damage. So first thing would be to try and see if I can get this housing, or it's gonna be the entire housing plus the headlamps online, and then before that I can try and work on this, see if it can come off. The damage is not really, it's not really that extensive. This is something that can be fixed here. So yeah, first thing, see if I can take this off, and if not, we'll think of the next course of action. So with only these 4, we have the paint corrected. You can see the scratch is not visible. Looks pretty clean. So now the only thing we need to worry about is the headlamp, which once we get, we'll just finish the job. So the headlights are here. So here's the headlight. It looks the same. Just take it close by the car and see how it looks compared to the other one. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. So for us to replace this thing, we have to take this part off, take the bumper off, and screw some screws at the bottom, and these are the side. Then we can be able to reach the headlight, and we just take it off from the inside and take out the old one, put in the new one. I'm gonna put the link down below for this socket set. You need this, all these screws, and all the screws you'll be taking off. So we'll start by taking off these 4 clips, then these bolts, then these 2, those 2, do the bottom, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, 1 bolt there, here. Do the same thing on the other side, then take the bumper out, and we'll go into the next step.
Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun.
So now we have the front bumper out. You can easily access the headlight. So we just need to check where we need to take out the bolts. I think one of them would be these 2 8mm, and again the bolts I took off are all 8mm apart from one. The ones at the bottom are 11mm, so just keeping that in mind. And I mean, the socket set has everything, so again check the link in the description for where you can get this socket set. So we just need to take these 2 bolts out and probably one more. Start with these 2 and see if the headlight can come off. If not, we need to take, maybe there's another one down at the bottom. We'll find out. So it's those 2 10mm bolts and one screw over here. I think it's a 12-inch maybe. So that's what we need to take off. we have the headlight out. This is the old one. That's the new one. I think the only thing I need to do before I put it in is just switch the bulbs. The old one had some LEDs, but the new one I think has the regular halogen ones. So I'll just take them off and replace them, then install it back inside.
Sunset is fading, but the lights aren't gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I leave, then will you come?
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Have we met? Heard it from a friend. Taking too long. Shaking on the phone. Red flagging by your side. So they can't get taken. Take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out.
Now we have the headlight in, the bumper into, so I'm gonna test it before I screw anything back, so that I don't need to go back and then start the whole process again.
Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Have we met? Heard it from a friend.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't I'm gonna get back when I feel like. Don't give me this.
And with that, we are done. Looking nice. So the car is looking great. We are back. No sign of the damage that was there. I'll also put in the link in the description for where you can get a similar headlight if you want to replace it. I think it's compatible with the 2014 to 2018 models. So as always, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Thank you again for tuning in. See you on the next one.
You know I don't play.